at Homeschool and Grace, and today's video is another Hot Tip Monday or Homeschool Encouragement Monday. You get to decide what it is. And I wanted to just say, first of all, I hope that you enjoyed the first video I did on this new kind of little series that I'm rolling out. And I really hope that it is encouraging you and just helping you find ways to just help your homeschool to be at peace and have just an easy transition to your day. So that is my hope for these, is that right now we're kind of going to do more getting your house ready for homeschooling, and then we'll go into more like just homeschool tips, daily things or something like that. So right now though, I just wanted to help prepare you for your days. So how did you do last week with prepping for the day before or prepping the night before? How did that go for you? I know that our week was like, I shared it and it was like we had a test of the week. I felt like I really struggled to get my kitchen cleaned up, but I did it each night and was able to wake up to a clean kitchen even when it felt like we were just so busy. But I was like, I gotta do this. I gotta do it because I know it'll feel better in the morning. So we did that, and just prepping the night before, looking through my teacher's manuals, like what do I need to know so I can prepare for the next day. So today's video is about making your bed. And again, this is not revolutionary stuff. I'm like, you might think like this is so silly, but I really think that when our beds are made, we can conquer the day better and easier because we know like at the end of the day, we have a nice clean room to come to. So my encouragement for you today, Monday, is to make your bed and get up in the morning, do whatever you need to do. And then so for me, I don't make my bed right away because my husband typically gets up after me, and we'll let the girls they all pile into the bed in the morning while I go and do my quiet time. And so it's not always made right away. So we'll eat breakfast and then I'll come back to getting it made. But I always start there before my school day. Like, it's my starting point, my launch pad, you could say. I go make my bed and then I go get school started with everybody. And so it's just a good launching off point for me. And so I just wanted to share that with you, that have that be your launching point to begin your school day, make your bed. And I found it sweet in I'm doing with My Father's World, the pre-K program, Voyage of Discovery. And it starts having you help your little one make their bed and teaching them to make their bed. And I was thinking this little simple task, but even for them, it's so important that they feel an accomplishment that their bed is made, it looks nice, and then they can go to that bed at the end of the day and it's all ready and clean and it just looks cozy to get into, and not feeling like, oh, I'm getting into this messy bed and I've had a messy day and then I'm in a messy bed. Just going to bed at peace, a nice, clean made bed. So that is my encouragement for you. I could give you all these statistics and everything. I know there's videos out there, these great generals who have said, make your beds in the morning. And I'm just agreeing with them. Make your bed. Go make your bed. So I hope that was encouraging for you, or maybe just your hot tip. So, hopefully the night before you've gotten your kitchen ready, and then now we're going to make our bed and get our bedroom ready so that there's little peace in our home as we get started on our homeschool day. So there you go. I hope that you have a wonderful week of homeschooling this week, and be encouraged, and may God bless you. And I will see you at the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.